Hello friends, welcome to Prodhat channel. In today's video, let's explore, can we whip cream in a mixer grinder? Who does not like the frothy and thick cream over their coffee? One of the most loved ingredients by a person of any age is whipped cream. Whipping a cream involves giving the light cream a soft and fluffy look that will hold its shape. This whipped cream is generally used as a topping for coffees or milkshakes, and even for icing and designing cold cakes. The whipping cream initially has a liquidy appearance with few ice crystals in it. By whipping it, you give it a firm shape, which can then be put over the coffee or the cake in any shape you desire. Usually, a cream is whipped with a whipping machine, also known as a beater. But several people have this doubt whether you could whip your cream without a beater in a mixer grinder as well. This article provides you with the answer to this query. Can we whip cream in a mixer grinder? The answer to this question is yes. You can whip cream in a mixer grinder. You don't need to require a beater for whipping the cream. Hence, you can rest assured that you get rich whipped cream over your fruits, coffee, or cakes if you have a mixer grinder at home. The cream you get at the end is completely air-free and of thick consistency. If you do not wish to spend excess money on a hand blender, or your hand blender is under repair, and you just cannot do without whipped cream, or you are in urgent need of it, then a mixer grinder is at your rescue. Even when long backs, hand blenders were not easily available, the homemakers whipped their cream with the assistance of a hand mixer and grinder. You just require to follow a few precautions while whipping your cream using a mixer grinder. This task is not as easy as whipping it with the help of a whipping machine. It requires a lot of accuracy and concentration. Hence, it consumes a considerable amount of time and effort, but the results are good enough to get a perfect shape, holding cream with you. How do you whip cream in a mixer grinder? There are certain methods and steps you need to follow while whipping the cream in the mixer grinder. They are enough to shape holding, as mentioned below. You need to keep the mixer grinder jar in the freezer for about half an hour before whipping the cream so that it becomes cold. You should use it immediately after removing it from the refrigerator to retain the low temperature so that the cream does not start melting due to the machine's heat. Also, keep the whipping cream in the freezer to get a thick consistency and gain the whipped texture sooner. As you are ready to whip the cream, empty the whipping cream in the jar and start the grinder on full speed for almost 20 to 30 seconds. You then need to check the consistency of the cream and keep repeating the process a couple of times by checking the consistency again and again. You need to repeat this process until your cream gets completely whisked, and thus, you can see peaks of the cream appearing. In the beginning, you tend to get soft peaks for the first 6 to 7 minutes, and they go on becoming thicker as you keep whisking them for a longer duration. If your cream still needs to be thicker, add a little more iced whipping cream and whisk it for another 30 to 60 seconds. You also need to make sure that you don't whisk the cream for a long duration, otherwise, it only gets foam and air bubbles filled in it. Thank you for watching this video. Visit our blog to know more details. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.